Thanks for joining me online. I'm Kevin Hurd from KevinTalksTech.com. We are switching up the look of the tech desk today to give you a little demonstration in this 60-second how-to. We're talking about hooking up your DVD player. Fairly simple process, but still there's a lot of people out there that don't know how to do it. And today we want to get you up to speed on making sure you can watch your movies with your DVD player. First, you have your RCA cables. Old VHS and VCR units used to be connected to TVs by these. These by far give you the lowest picture quality, so these you want to avoid if you can. If you do have an older television set, chances are you might not have some of the new higher end cables, so you might be limited to these RCA cables. Yellow's for your video, red and white are for your sound. What you're going to do is you're going to plug those into the back of your DVD player, and then you're going to plug the other set into the television set. You're going to want to make sure you go RCA out on your DVD player, and you want to go RCA in on your television set. Next up, we have your component cables, also known as the red, blue, and green cable set. These are going to give you a much better picture quality than those composite cables. However, there is a bit of a downside. You are going to have to use the red and white or composite audio cables to be able to do your sound. That's because this set of cables right here only actually does video. Let me show you how this is hooked up. Most DVD players today have this cable set. What you're going to do is you're again going to hook into the color-coded sections, blue into blue, green to green, red to red in the composite section, or I should say component section. And then for the composites, you're going to want to head and go with that RCA out. And that is going to be the red into red and the white into white. And again, that's going to give you your sound for this configuration. You're going to do the same side on the television set. You're going to go with the component in and the composite in for your sound on the television. And that is going to be how you hook up this set. Now again, if your DVD player has this is always the best way to go above the composite cables. But I'm going to show you one other cable as well. This is really going to simplify things a whole lot. And this, of course, is your HDMI cable. This cable is great because not only does it do video in one cable, it also does sound. Most new DVD players have a HDMI in output, I should say, right on the back. You just slip the cable right in there. And then on your television set, you're going to go ahead and slip the HDMI cable into the HDMI input. And this, by far, is going to give you the best picture quality as well as sound. By any means, if you have this cable and these inputs available, this is what you're going to want to go with. The HDMI cable is going to run you a little bit more than the others. However, I would maybe pay anywhere between $10 to $15 for it, maybe as high as $20. But really, a cable at that price for HDMI is still going to give you a good picture and sound quality. These other cables right here you can pick up for maybe $5 to $10 at some of those stores. Now, we may have gone over our time limit a little bit here today, but that's okay. It's our first 60-second how-to here at KevinTalksTech.com. Hey, by the way, if you have a suggestion of something you'd like us to talk about on KevinTalksTech.com, just go ahead, head to the website, and you can send your comments to us that way. You can also leave comments right here on this video as well. And that leads me to one other point as well. I really hope you can subscribe to our channel. Love to be able to talk with you and connect with you. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button right here on our YouTube page. And we also do have a Facebook page as well as Twitter page, so be sure to give us a like and follow us too. That'll do it for this 60-second how-to. We'll see you next time on KevinTalksTech.com. Thanks, guys.